Good morning, boys and girls. I've made a few videos about the latest update from DJI for the Mini 3 Pro. And it has been a bit of an up and down testing out this new firmware and DJI Fly App 1.6.8. And it doesn't stop there. I thought everything was fixed, but many of you have reported in the comments that you were seeing issues with the map not showing after performing a factory reset. And let's just make a verification here and see if that is the case. And I promised you that I would check on my own controller. So let's just see if this is the case. So now everything is hooked up. And exactly as you reported, there are no maps available. This is just blank. And then you might say, that's because you're not connected to Wi-Fi. So let's just check if that is connected. So it's connected to my local Wi-Fi. So there's absolutely no issue there. And if I activate Find My Drone, let's just see, that's another function that uses the map here. I can use another map here. Interesting. It actually says in the bottom that the map app is not installed. So I guess there was somebody at DJI that forgot to include that package when they sent out this major update the other day. So this was just a super fast update for you guys, that what you are seeing with the missing maps on the controller here is, I see the same. So I bet there will be a new version of the DJI Fly App available very soon, as the maps are not really linked to the firmware in the drone. And just shortly to mention why we ended up in this situation is that I went out to test the first updated version that was made available, and that caused me a ton of issues with everything freezing up and so on when testing out focus track inside quickshot modes as well as portrait mode. That seems to have been resolved with the version that was released only one day after the first one, but that seemed to have been introducing other problems like the map. Have you seen other stuff that is not working with the version that you have installed? Then let me know in the comment below. Also, if you missed the 2 other videos that I made on this firmware testing, I will make sure to link those in these cards. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.